I'll always remember the first engine test I saw after arriving at NASA Stennis. I'd watched shuttle launches on television, and I remember my father marveling at their power. And now here I was, listening to the roar of an engine up close, seeing the steam cloud, feeling the vibrations of the test. And I couldn't help but wish that my father were still alive and there with me. And it made me miss him more. And I think that that's what NASA does in part. It brings us together by creating these incredible shared moments and memories like few other things can.